Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Titi and today we are preparing a healthy juice for fatigue. Let's start by defining what fatigue is not. Fatigue is not being tired and lacking of sleep, but rather fatigue is mostly lacking of energy. You're not motivated anymore to work or study, and that's mostly due to nutrient deficiency. You are lacking of nutritional value, which is why it's essential to have a healthy diet so it increases your digestive enzymes, so your body can treat the nutrients and later on transform them into energy. That's also why we have an apple, a carrot, and spinach here. They have one of the highest amount in raw forms of enzymes amongst the veggies and fruits. Apples, for example, are high in carbohydrates that break down into sugar. That's what we call glucose. The glucose then travels into your bloodstream, giving the green light to the pancreas to increase your insulin level. So the glucose can then travel into your cells and turn them on into energy. Carrots, on the other hand, are low on the GI, which is the glycemic index, meaning they do not affect much your blood sugar level. And the fact they have a soluble fiber that can be dissolved into water help to regulate your blood sugar and insulin levels. So what happens is that after you eat, your insulin level is high, so your body stocks the excess glucose into your liver, comes then glycogen. When you're not eating anymore in between meals, your liver releases the glycogen into your bloodstream. The glycogen becomes then glucose again and gets transformed into energy. Spinach, on the other hand, are high in magnesium and folate, which also increase your energy. Lemons, you might have guessed it right, are high in vitamin C, which helps fight off pathogens, increase your body's immune system, and decreases the risk of infections, increasing your energy. Lastly, we have beets. And beets are high in copper, which again increases the efficiency of your body cells to create energy. So for today's juice, you will need 1 apple, 1 carrot, 100 grams of spinach, half of a lemon, and 1 tiny beet. Make sure that the beet is tiny enough. It should be medium and so the biggest. Otherwise, the taste of the beets will be highly predominant and frankly it will not taste that good. If you enjoyed the video, please do push a thumb up, subscribe to the channel for more cooking videos, and turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started now. Prepare 100 grams of frozen spinach in a bowl. Peel off 1 carrot and remove its extremities. Then cut 1 apple in tiny pieces while peeling it off. The smaller the pieces are, the better it is for the machine. Otherwise it might get clogged into the machine or just damage it a little bit more, you know? So you don't want this to happen, right? Remove the seeds. Take 1 tiny beet and cut it into tiny pieces. Then heat up the spinach so it's soft. And slice the carrot into very thin parts. I'm very lucky I have a machine to do it for me, but last time I did it manually, the slices were about 3 times bigger and the machine had a very hard time to extract the juice out of them. So really try to cut them in very thin parts. Finally, place all the ingredients into the juicer. Make sure to select the hard mode on the machine for the carrots and apples. I did select the hard mode for the entire juice as I wasn't sure if there was some carrots left inside or apples, you know, because I mixed carrots, spinach and then apples and beets. So really try to separate them. Maybe do the spinach and beets first, they are soft, and then change the setting to hard one for the carrots and apples. course, press half of a lemon to add it to the mixture. Mix and serve. If you want to be extra, you can even cut a slice of apple to decorate your bowl. Make sure you clean the skin beforehand, as you will leave it on the apple that you will eat afterwards. Cut 3/4 of it and place it on the edge of the bowl. Enjoy! It gives you all the energy and love you need for the day. It's so much nicer when you choose a tiny beet. Once I don't have the juice extractor machine, so I tried to do a smoothie with the same proportions and it was frankly awful. I did add a huge beet, 2 huge beets, because I did it for 2 persons. And oh my gosh, I had to dilute it with a lot of water. And this one is so much nicer. You can feel the lemon, lots more apples too. You can't feel the carrots that much though, which is nice. I love it. You should try it, but make sure again to pick a tiny beet, otherwise it might not be the same taste. Well, I guess I will have crazy energy after that. I don't know if it's because I drank so much beet juice and smoothies lately, because I did the same proportion for the smoothie. I ended up with tons of stock to finish, because of course when you do the smoothie you have the whole fruit and the whole veggie in it, so the proportion is way more gigantic, humongous. And I finally finished it on Sunday. On Sunday I tried the juice extract. Now I'm going to be a beet addict. If such a thing exists. I think because I drank so many smoothies and juice from beets, that my organism slowly accepted it, because I'm not really into veggies smoothies or veggies juice either. And wow, that's amazing. In a matter of 3 days I finally feel very good about the juice. It's good for you, my friend. You should try it. This one is really nice, with small beets. Wow, I can't believe I'm going to say that, but it's actually really yummy. Oh my gosh, what happened to me? It's really tasty. Look at this. I have everything on camera. I finished it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and really subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. The sooner we get to 1000, the sooner you will have the ratatouille recipe. Next video will be a meal, healthy meal. Bye bye.
I promised I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for 2, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me?